Hello, my name is Hannah Woods, and I will be bringing you your Unit 7 Kindergarten Math Family video. Unit 7, Solid Shapes All Around Us. By the end of this video, I hope you will be able to answer these three big questions. What is my child learning in Unit 7? How does it look? And what can I do at home to help? In this unit, students identify, describe, compare, and create three-dimensional shapes. Students revisit counting, addition, and subtraction while working with familiar two-dimensional shapes. With students, we refer to two-dimensional shapes as flat shapes and three-dimensional shapes as solid shapes. Students will revisit important number concepts while working with familiar pattern blocks. Students practice counting, comparing, and writing numbers, as well as solving story problems as they fill in more difficult pattern block puzzles, which can be completed in more than one way, as you see on the screen. Students will answer questions using pattern blocks as the context. How many green triangles blocks did May use? How many red trapezoids? How many blocks did she use altogether? How does it look for students? While students are introduced to the formal names of solid shapes, students use their own language to describe and compare these shapes. For example, students may say ball to refer to a sphere and may compare the points of a pyramid and the curves of a cone. Students use a variety of materials to create solid shapes and eventually use solid shapes to build larger creations, such as a tower. Students are introduced to solid shapes as they distinguish between flat and solid shapes. Students identify examples of solid shapes in their environment and work with geoblocks, including cones, cubes, cylinders, spheres, pyramids, and prisms. Near the end of the unit, you can ask your student to go on a scavenger hunt to find solid shapes around the house. You can ask students, can you find a cone, a cube, a sphere, a cylinder? Can you find something else that has the same shape as this can? What is the same about these two shapes that you found, and what is different about them? Can you find something that you can use to create a cone? Thank you, families, for joining us for our Kindergarten Mathematics Family Unit video. Thank you for partnering with us at home. We are confident that with your encouragement and support, our young mathematicians will gain a wealth of knowledge and develop a strong foundation in mathematics this year. For more elementary math resources, you can visit the CMS site. Thank you, and have a great year.